Sunrise breaking on the ocean line, golden light that raised this life of mine. Salt air drifting through the coconut trees, feels like home every time I breathe. Barefoot running on the sand as a child, simple days, free and wild. We didn't have much, but we had it all. A place that lifts you when you fall. Yeah, even when I'm far away, I still hear your voice call my name. Through the wind, through the waves. Yeah, yeah. My Samoa, you're my heart, my home, where my roots run deep in the thought I've known. No matter how far in this world I go, my soul stays with you. I stays with you. My Samoa, my Samoa, I'm proud to say your name. You're the fire in my blood, the burning flame. There's no other place that feels this close. My life, my love, my Samoa. Long days working under the sun, fathers teaching sons how life is done. Mothers praying through the night, holding families strong and tight. Laughter echoes through the village streets, music playing, dancing feet. Every face feels like my own. That's the love that built this home. When the nights feel cold and long, I remember where I belong. Through the pain, through it all, yeah. My Samoa, you're my heart, our home, where my roots run deep in the soil I found. No matter how far in this road I go, my soul stays with you. I stays with you. My Samoa, my Samoa, I'm proud to say your name. You're fire in my blood, the burning flame. There's no other place that feels this close. My life, my life, my Samoa. If one day I don't make it back, just know I never lost that path. Every step I take, every breath I own, carries a piece of my land home. Yeah, yeah. My Samoa, you're my heart, my home. Even when I stand here all alone, I can feel you in my soul. You're the place that made me whole. My Savior, you, my Samoa, lift your name up high from the ocean wave to the open sky. There's no